The 2025 Grand Vitara 7-seater makes a bold return to the SUV segment, combining versatility, space, and modern design into one compelling package. As the demand for three-row SUVs continues to rise, Maruti Suzuki's decision to expand the Grand Vitara lineup with a 7-seater version is both timely and strategic. This new model is designed to cater to larger families and urban adventurers who require extra seating without compromising on comfort, style, or performance. Visually, the 2025 Grand Vitara 7-seater maintains the rugged appeal of its 5-seater sibling but with subtle enhancements to distinguish it as a more family-oriented SUV. The front fascia features a bold chrome grille, sharp LED DRLs, and a sculpted bumper design that adds character. From the side, the extended body proportions are evident, necessary to accommodate the third row, yet the vehicle manages to maintain a balanced and elegant silhouette. Stylish alloy wheels and roof rails complete the SUV aesthetic, while the rear boasts sleek LED tail lamps and a strong shoulder line that emphasizes its width and presence on the road. Inside, the 7-seater Grand Vitara is where the transformation truly shines. The cabin has been reworked to maximize space and functionality. The second row now slides and folds to provide access to the third row, which is suitable for children or occasional adult use. The materials feel more premium, with soft touch surfaces, a dual-tone theme, and attention to detail that reflects Maruti Suzuki's effort to create a more upscale experience. The dashboard houses a large infotainment touchscreen with SmartPlay Pro Juma system, supporting Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and connected car technology. Additional amenities like wireless charging, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, and a 360-degree camera ensure that this SUV meets the expectations of modern car buyers. Under the hood, the 2025 Grand Vitara 7-seater continues to offer both mild hybrid and strong hybrid powertrains, shared with Toyota through the global partnership. The mild hybrid variant is powered by a 1.5-liter petrol engine paired with an integrated starter generator, offering a smooth and efficient drive. For those seeking better fuel economy and a greener option, the strong hybrid variant with its electric motor-assisted engine delivers excellent mileage, especially in urban traffic. Both powertrains are refined and paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox, depending on the variant. In terms of safety, the SUV comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, hill hold assist, electronic stability control, ISOFIX mounts, and a robust body structure built on the Global C platform. These features, combined with improved driving dynamics and comfortable ride quality, make it a practical choice for families. The 2025 Grand Vitara 7-seater is more than just an elongated version of an existing SUV. It stands as a thoughtful expansion in Maruti Suzuki's portfolio, offering Indian buyers an affordable yet premium 7-seat SUV alternative. With its attractive design, feature-rich cabin, fuel-efficient hybrid options, and ample space, this SUV is set to be a strong contender in the growing midsize 7-seater segment. Whether for daily commuting or weekend getaways with family, the new Grand Vitara brings a blend of utility and elegance that few in its class can match.